Kasi, yung kung anong meron kami namin, sobrang hirap niyang hawakan.
Ano ba meron kayo?
Sobrang meron na tayo.
Ano bang...
Close up.
So, hindi namin naintindihan.
Kasi imagine naman ko,
Dahil kasi po kami na parang special relationship. Parang meron po mga bagay na kami lang nagkaintindihan.
yes, yeah. Parang kasi direct, yung nangyari sa amin ni May, parang this was, hindi pa nangyari to ever sa kahit kanino. Siguro kahit in real life. I don't know if, meron in real life, but in showbiz, fake life, in joke life, parang ito rin yung klaseng experience kasi ito for us. Kumbaga, all of us, hindi lang naman po kami, all of our closest people in our lives, parang we're also shocked on what happened. Na it's just one afternoon in Bulaga that changed our lives. It's just one afternoon in Bulaga that changed our lives forever. May plano na sa atin from the day we were born. But until the day we die, the Lord already has a plan. So, parang with everything that has happened, out the tamang panahon, and then this movie, parang everything's falling into place without difficulties. Yun nga, sabi ni Tatay, sabi ni Miss Jenny, there were no, hindi tatayan efforts, kumbaga yung naging path ng namin dalawa ni May towards to whatever we're going, wherever we're going now. And ang sarap lang kasi everything that we do is being appreciated by a lot. Di lang the fans, di lang kami dalawa, of course, but the people we love also. So, kumbaga until the day we die, this will be already part of our life. So, kumbaga until the day we die, this will be already part of our lives.
If you remember, kinausap ka namin ni Mike in one of the tapings, gines ka namin, tapos nag-uusapan, tapos sabi namin sa'yo, yung gawa kayo ng movie, you got very excited. With May, it was different. Inakwento ko sa sa marami pang tao, kaya sumubangot sa akin kung una ako natinig eh. Sabi ko ganyan, kasi paalis tayo nun eh, papunta tayo sa Germany. Tapos sabi ni Jenny sa akin, sir, pagbalik nyo, may increase tayo ng 2% sa ratings. Ano na? Tapos sabi ni Jenny sa akin, sir, pagbalik nyo, may increase tayo ng 2% sa ratings. Ano na? May akong bagong ilalagay sa balaga. Sabi, pinanood ko na yan. Bago tayo 2%?
Ano yung vision?
Hindi, invitation to. First day. First day nga. Oo, 2%. Kasi bakit eh. Wala. Ang balik. Sabi ni Benny, sir, sobra ako ng isa. Naka 3% tayo. Sabi ko, dahil doon. Tapos, sabi ko, dahil doon. Tapos, sumusundan eh. Talaga ako. And then, several days later, umuulong na. Ako mismo, hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi hinahanap ko yung combination. Yung pala tumatama na yung combination nila ni Wadi. Na tumatama na pala. Dahil kasi pareho silang nakasimangot, pareho silang, ang nagulat lang ako sa kanya, kahit anong ginagawa. May hawak siya na kung ano. Sabi ko, iba rin ng batang to. Sabi ko, palibasa bata, hindi natatakot. Tsaka yung first time ako nakakita ng maganda na nagpapatangit. Tsaka yung first time ako nakakita ng maganda na nagpapapangit. Eksakto. Sabi ko, anong ginagawa nitong batang to? Bakit gano'n? Parang may innate talent siya ng wala siyang pakialam. Parang sa kanya, papakita ko sa inyo, nag-enjoy ako dito sa ginagawa ko na hindi ko pa nakikita kahit kaninong artista.
So, pinanood ko siya, parang grabe yung experience ko. Parang napanood ko siya for the first time. Parang hindi ako yung sumula. Kapit ko siya. Kasi ang dami-dami eksena na ang ganda talaga. Parang lahat talaga ng passion movie, pinili yung puso. Lalo na yung direction mo din, hindi sa pag-aaral mo. Pero nung pinanood ko siya, tapos yung magic ng dalawa. Hindi sa pag-aaral mo. Pero nung pinanood ko siya, tapos yung magic ng dalawa. Ano kaya nire-discuss mo yung mawawala yung attention ng tao? Kaya yung magic na parang lakas. Hindi ko masusulat yun, syempre. I can only write what I know. Pero yung napanood ko, because everyone, I became really a fan, not only of the two, kasi parang ako tapos everyone in the movie.
Ang hirap niya, si Teddy Locsin summed it up here, na parang it's class on its own. Yeah, that's the English translation ng sinabi niya. Kasi even ako, susundan ko yung after ng movie na, I mean, kung ano may second movie nila, ang hirap ang tayo kung parang, hindi ko lang kung anong gagawin sinabi niya. Kasi even ako, susundan ko yung after ng movie na, I mean, kung ano may second movie nila, ang hirap ang tayo kung parang, hindi ko lang kung anong gagawin sinabi. Kasi ang hirap niyang, kasi it's so special na achieve ang lahat ng objectives more than
Being in Italy, parang how can you design wise, it's hard to go wrong kasi ang ganda ng place, diba? But yun nga, but there's a lot of challenges na a lot of people siguro won't see in the film. But it is a very good opportunity. Plus yung iba yung working environment than any other I've worked on. Kasi yun nga, even sa script, you were part of. Kasi normally, we just come in, you read the script, you do the requirements, parang wala naman kaming say sa story eh. Baka we discuss on our own. Pero ito, talagang inupo kami to ask ano yung opinion namin on the story, and we were able to give our say sa story eh. Baka we discuss on our own. Pero ito, talagang inupo kami to ask ano yung opinion namin on the story, and we were able to give our inputs even before we started filming. Hindi yung habang nag-film, it's not working kasi siya kami nag-discuss. So that was very rare. So, it's a really, kaya I think that's also what contributed to the success of the movie kasi everyone really worked well together. Parang iba yung feeling when you go to a set na gano'n. Ang sakit mo sa ulo issue kasi talagang, tama ba ito? Di ba every time, kaya ka natin. Tuwing pack-up, I swear, tuwing pag nasa hotel room na kami ni Kenny, Kens, maganda ba? Tama ba yung shoot natin? Ano tingin mo sa ganito? Ikaw, maganda ba? Tama ba yung acting ni May? Meron kami ganun, tama ba yung acting yung kay Alden? Ano tingin mo? Sobra namin hinihimay the whole time, every day, ganyan. Sobra namin hinihimay the whole time, every day, ganyan. So ano ko si Kenny, sobra siyang nanineurotic sa apartment. Pareho kami talaga yung ganun ka, pero kung iisipin mo, parang, ang light lang naman, di ba, na comedy. So parang, yun yung parang sa akin, hindi ko yun makakalimutan kasi, di ba, parang naging mahirap i-shoot yung gano'n na parang saya-saya nyo naman. Pero actually, grabe kasi iba yung pressure niya because, like what I've said, hindi siya nga simpleng love team na may ilo-launch. Diba? Make or break talaga siya eh. Oo eh. And ako talaga personally, gusto ko talagang, hindi, ilalaban natin yan. Alam mo yun, kaya diba, every time, bakit? Coach, bakit? Ganun ako lagi, bakit ganito? Explain mo sa akin, bakit yun? Yun yung parang, personally, gusto ko talagang, hindi, ilalaban natin yan. Alam mo yun,
Kaya di ba, every time, bakit? Coach, bakit? Ganun ako lagi. Bakit ganito? Explain mo sa akin. Bakit ganyan? Yun yung parang, ano sa akin, na ang sarap ng feeling nung napanood ko. Tapos parang ang dami nung nakaka-appreciate. Kasi grabe yung journey. Grabe talaga yun. Ay, masari ko na siya ma-explain ba na siya ano. Kahirap. Mahirap siya gawin.
Everyone loved what they were doing in Italy. And dun pa lang, sabi ko lang kung sasabi, I was very happy about that. Pero I'm even happier and prouder of the film because of what happened after. Meron akong mga small parang requirements. Or, hindi naman, mga small dreams sa utak ko. And it's not the usual dreams na, oh, it has to make this much money or whatever. Sabi ko, I would one day want to direct a film that opens, that is showing in more than 200 theaters. Kasi ano yan parang statistic. Or, hindi naman, mga small dreams sa utak ko. And it's not the usual dreams na, oh, it has to make this much money or whatever. Sabi ko, I would one day want to direct a film that opens, that is showing in more than 200 theaters. Kasi ano yan parang statistic yun sa utak ko, one day. We showed in 200, almost 280. So sabi ko, this. Sabi ko, one day I would like to be involved, not even direct, but I would like to be involved in a film that will screen for more than 2 weeks. Kasi usually, hirap tayo kalaban natin mga Hollywood films and all that, 2 weeks. We screen for a month. 1 whole month, longer actually if you count yung foreign markets. Tapos sabi ko, lastly, I would like to be involved in a film na kahit anong Hollywood film ang dumating, we will start. Hindi tayo atras, hindi tayo biglang aalis sa theaters. And if I remember correctly, 4 big Hollywood films screened on the month that we were screening. Tapos sabi ko, lastly, I would like to be involved in a film na kahit anong Hollywood film ang dumating, we will start. Hindi tayo atras, hindi tayo biglang aalis sa theaters. And if I remember correctly, 4 big Hollywood films screened on the month that we were screening. And we beat all of them. So sabi ko, okay na. Okay na to. Like, parang check na ako sa lahat. I love the experience. I am so proud of the film. I am so proud of what Alden and Maine were able to achieve in the making of this film. So sabi ko, isa na lang ang nakita ng dream sa akin. Kasi na sinabi nga ni Alden about Teddy Boy Love Scene. Teddy Boy said, one of the most difficult things about this movie is I cannot imagine it being top. So sabi ko, I have one last dream. Sabi ko, let's try. Sabi ko kasi isa lang naman ang makakagawa nito. Sabi ko sa akin, at sinabi ko to kay tatay. Sabi ko, I have one last dream. Sabi ko, let's try. Sabi ko kasi isa lang naman ang makakagawa nito. Sabi ko sa akin, at sinabi ko to kay tatay. Sabi ko, isa lang makakagawa nito. It's only one group who can try, which is the same that succeeded. So, nagpaalam agad ako kay tatay. Wala pong concept, wala pong kahit ano. Sinabi ko agad, may I try to put everyone back together. Kasi sinabi niya agad, I will not allow anything else. Sabi niya, I want that same group. So, hopefully, sometime next year, hopefully we will be doing this again, but for the next film. I am very, very proud to have worked with all of you, and let's do it again.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, guys.